my body.
Unbreakable body, straight from Russia. Look, you can see the words on it, pictures on it. It's all pretty cool.
I like to understand those words.
You think you can understand those, huh? All right, open it up. See what's in there. Ta-da!
It's not. We need to cut this off.
Yeah, we need to cut it off, don't we?
Hey, look, it's like unbreakable bumper. Daddy, it's an unbreakable bumper.
You think so? You think we just use it like that?
Huh.
What do you think? Is that going to be strong?
We can try to whack it on the middle finger and it doesn't.
Does it look like it's going to be strong? Go get your old body and see what happens.
Let's see this gray one. Wait. Hey.
You think it dented it?
This flexes.
Well, I mean, so we know that it breaks, right? We know that it breaks. This is ripped through here. Usually when you drive, like the screws come through.
It's like a hat.
So we know all that's happened, right?
Whack it onto here.
So we think, so it looks like it'll fit. It looks like it's the right size. It's the right length.
It's a different body.
It is. It's an old Chevy C10 design. So this, instead of this, is just kind of a generic. So this is pretty thin. Of course, this is the standard. This Traxxas Stampede Black Sand. This is the. Yeah, that actually feels pretty thick.
But we can like bend this part.
Yeah, I imagine it's bendable. So obviously we're gonna have to cut this out, right? You can see the details. They look pretty good. I mean,
That one.
it looks like we're definitely gonna want stickers, right?
Yeah.
Because this is a cool looking body. It's an old school Chevy truck looking body. Stop. But man, maybe we want windows. Maybe we want the headlights and the grill. So we'll have to see if we can't find some of those somewhere. All right, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to figure out how to cut it. Let's see how this stuff. Okay, so it actually cuts pretty easy. Okay, so we purposely left the sides long, right? Mm-hmm. That way we can see if it covers it extra on the sides of the truck or not. Okay, let's see. The sides left along.
It's not magnetic.
Oh, look at that, James. James.
Oh, that looks awesome.
That looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
How to drive it?
No, we still have to get it mounted on, right? Because it's still not there yet. Now look.
Oh.
Yeah, look, there's some pre-dimples in theory where the holes go. Does that seem like it lines up? It looks like it probably wants to line up right there. Is that right where we want it? It might be where we want it. Alright, look at that. It's officially on.
Good.
Unbreakable body on a Stampede. It's not quite perfect. It looks like I'm going to have to trim. Oh, it's going to hit these control arms. It just barely goes past them right now. So we'll probably leave it for now and see what happens. On the rear, same thing. It hits as it goes down. But it's really close. Slightly shifted forward from where the guide holes are, but they're pretty dang close. I left this body long to help cover part of the chassis, but I need to trim that out and square that off a little bit. What do you think, James? There it is.
Now I can start driving it.
You want to try?